In this video, I will show you how you can enable always on display on any Oppo phone, even if your Oppo phone does not support always on display. Now, if your Oppo phone supports always on display, just go to settings, and under settings, just search this. Now just tap on always on display, and from here just enable the toggle for always on display. Now just select what you want to show in your always on display. By default, it will only show the time, but you can show the date, the battery percentage, and your notifications. Now as you can see, if I turn off my Oppo phone, as you can see, we have successfully enabled always on display on our Oppo phone. Now if your Oppo phone does not support always on display, then just follow the next method. For that, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open and tap on Draw over the apps. From this app list, just look for the Movies Edge app. Then tap on it and enable this toggle. After that, just go back to the app. Now just select AOD at the bottom of the screen. Now just select any of the always on display styles which you like. For example, I will select this one. Then tap on Apply. Now after you do that, now if I go to the home screen and if I turn off my Oppo phone, and as you can see, this is how you can enable always on display on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.